Hey folks, Professor Amachi here. Wanted to get you through T4 case problem 2, and this looks like it's the Chupacabra 15 Music Festival. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, first thing we're going to do, as always, is link to our CSS. And we got 3 links this time. And let's go to CF Reset. That should be the first one, the CF layout. CF layout is right there, and then CF effects. That's the one we're going to be working with. Okay, go ahead and save that, and that gives us, kind of like a basic type of page right here. We can do something with the cube on this, and then that sets up our rotate and our perspective there as well. Let's come out to our effects CSS here. Let's set up a rule for HTML. And this is going to set the background to a URL, and it's cfback1.png, and we'll make it fixed. Okay, that sets our background there for the entire thing. Background position is going to be centered. Okay, and our background size is going to be cover. Okay, good. Let's come out here to body styles. Body styles, we're going to set this. Our background color is going to be RGBA, 255, 255, 255, and 0.3 for our alpha. Okay, next is the body header styles. Body header styles is going to be this. So body header, we'll set the background color, RGBA, 51, 51, 51, and our alpha is at 0.5. Okay, good. So our header up here, change color there. So let's start working with our asides. Section aside, our border is going to be 10 pixels, double RGBA, 92, 42, 8, and 0.3 for our alpha. Okay, and our border radius. Going to be 30 pixels there. So good, we have that with the rounded corners. And we just need to adjust now the H1, because the H1 is this portion right here. So we're going to have to round those corners out as well. Section aside H1. Set our border radius 30 pixel, 30 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel. Okay, good. Now we got our corners rounded there. Let's set up now the section left and the section right. And set the perspective to 450 pixels. And section left aside So we're going to transform that, and we're going to rotate Y by 25 degrees. Okay, see how that perspective changes there? We want to do the same thing for the right side. So for the right side, let's come out here, section right aside, and transform. This one's going to be rotate Y. And we're going to have to go 25 degrees in the opposite direction. Right, so we have this over there on the left and this over on the right. See how that's working for us here? All right, let's get all of our images that are down here and let's get them set up in a cube. Okay. So our cube styles is down here. So those are under divs. So under the cube there, we'll do the position relative. Margin, we're going to set to 180 pixels, auto, and 150 pixels. Okay, width and height are 400 pixels. And the perspective, we'll set that at 450 pixels. Okay, now div with the class of cube face. Set that width to 400 pixels and the height to 400 pixels. And position will be absolute. Okay, this one is going to be our front-facing image. That's right there. So that's the cube face. The cube front. Div, and this is the ID of cube front. So we'll transform there. And let's go translate Z and negative 50 pixels. Okay, so div cube left. Set that transform there to translate X. We'll go negative 200 pixels and we'll rotate that Y there by 90 degrees. Okay, starting to see the left panel there. We're going to do the same thing for the right and for the top there as well. So that means div cube right. So that transform there for the right is going to be translate X to 200 pixels and rotate Y by negative 90 degrees. Okay, now we see that there. Cool, let's work with the top here now. Transform that and translate Y, negative 200 pix, and rotate X. About 90 degrees there. Okay, so we got the top going there, and let's look for div and the cube bottom. Let's do transform, translate Y by 200 pixels, and then rotate X by 90 degrees. All right, this is how it looks now. So we got the cube thing going. We have a top and a bottom and a left and a right here. That's pretty neat. And then also too, the left and the right here, they're shifted in perspective of the cube here as well. Hey folks, that was pretty neat as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we will see you on the next.